Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at a good old retro from KKFoo1.com. That's KKFoo1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link from a usual seller. It won't be for this item as I know they won't have it, but it will just be for a generic item on their website which you can take a look at. As you can see, this is a Sheffield Wednesday away shirt and this is from the 1993-1994 season. I love retro shirts, so when I saw this one was available it was a must. I've also got a Birmingham shirt from the same seller which will be coming up at some stage. The shirt comes in a standard Puma bag and on the flip side it is plain. Actually look, it's got King in it, so obviously Puma King, a great pair of football boots back in the 90s, and even to this day you can still get hold of them. So if you do enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, this is the Sheffield Wednesday away shirt 93-94 from KKFoo1.com. All the information to the seller will be in the description of this video. So what we'll do now is we'll get this bag undone and let's take a full look at this retro remake Sheffield Wednesday shirt. Okay, at the front of the shirt we've got the traditional retro sort of collar line, a proper collar. Do like a proper collar. And poppers. Yeah, we've got some poppers there. Can't do it one-handed, I don't think. Oh, there we go. So yeah, we've got some poppers. The Puma. That's like it's like a soft sort of, I don't know what to call it. But it's the same as whatever's on the sponsor. There's a black bit there. It's like a felt sort of feel. And obviously that is embossed onto it. Likewise the Sheffield Wednesday badge. I don't know what that is there. It's like a bit of excess glue. Or was it plastic actually? I just had to move the camera down. So you've got a little bit of plastic there. Hopefully that will peel off. Stitching all looks good. I do really like the, obviously I mentioned in the intro, this Puma and obviously Puma King, proper good football boot. So it's nice to see that into the material. I do love retro shirts and this has definitely got those 90s vibes. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. That's the front. We'll flip it around and look at the reverse side. There's not a lot on the reverse, but we'll take a look anyway. So yeah, here's the back of the shirt. As I said, there's not a lot on here at all. 93, 94. Would that have been prior to a name on there? Maybe we just have had a number. I can't actually remember whether there would have been a name set on it or not. Obviously I didn't go for any names or anything on it. Sometimes I do with the retros, but this one, and I mentioned I've also got a Birmingham one from this seller. Neither have got anything on there, on the back of them. Hemline stitching looks good. Nice little join down there. And again on that side, a nice little join. You always can see these little white dots on the darker sort of shirts, but nothing to worry about. A nice little bobble there, but that's I think just where it's been in the bag. And looking at the collar line, that looks fine. Slightly curved around there, but I think once you've been wearing the shirt, that will be absolutely perfect. So that's the reverse side. Let's take a look at the inside now. Okay, we're now onto the inside of the shirt. And again, you've got the normal collar. I just realised that just gives me those McDonald's sort of vibes. They have this sort of material and the yellow on there. As I called out at the start, here's your poppers. And the Sheffield Wednesday badge is here. That's got them lovely. You've got Puma over here, which again, been put on really nice. And the sponsor looks absolutely fine. There's some like colour coming through. I don't know if that's just where if it's been glued on, because it's got a big sponsor, so that probably has been glued on actually. Join around there is fine. One thing I've just noticed, this is the tag, so this is your standard washing instructions, but yeah, you've got a QR code on there. We would not have had QR codes on these shirts back in 93 or 94, so that's obviously a bit of a giveaway that this isn't an official shirt from that era. But as I've said before, where are you going to get a shirt from this sort of age in this sort of condition for the price? You're not, unless you're somebody who's purchased it and never ever wore it. Hemline on the inside looks good. Yeah, looks fine. flip it around, look at the other side. Okay, here's the final part of the inside of the shirt. We've got the Puma tag, and this is another bit of a giveaway that these are not the official ones. You get these little XL tags hidden underneath them. The tag that the shirt comes with, you've got Puma Cell, which again, not right for the era, but they always put these sort of tags on there just to try and make them look a bit more official. Size on this one is XL, and this is obviously a retro replica. And it would be classed as a stadium version, a fans version. So if you are an XL, you can pretty much get away with wearing a standard size. Some people like sizing up. I sometimes still do, and that's only because I wear items underneath. But yeah, pretty much if you're an XL and you're buying a fans or stadium version, whatever you want to call them, then the standard size XL would do you if that's what you normally buy. But that's the inside of the shirt, nothing else really to show. If I push in, it's a dark material, so you can't see any of the stuff from the inside. But there it is. And there we have it, our Sheffield Wednesday away shirt for the 1993-1994 season from KKFoo1.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link for my usual seller. It won't be for this item, I know, because they won't have this one on their website, so it'll just be a generic item, but it will take you to their site where you can have a look at the shirts that they've got as well. If you have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions or messages, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. My favourite sort of shirts to review are definitely these retros. I think they just look outstanding. And this one has definitely got those sort of 90s vibes. So I said the seller is KKFoo1.com, all details in the description. I hope you've enjoyed this video as we look out this shirt one more time. Zoom out, and there we have it. Our Sheffield Wednesday away shirt 93-94 from KKFoo1.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.